Everyone, post gym workout 1 minute wisdom. This is going to be the last one I'm doing for a while. My podcast, Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out, returns next Tuesday at 1 p.m. If you enjoy these short little videos, check out the podcast. You can also check it out on YouTube, go into a little more detail, as well as giving you take actions to get you started to clear clutter in your life. Today, I'm going to talk about love. Are you coming from love, or are you coming from hate? Anger, greed, sadness, because we're coming from one or the other. I get a lot of flack when I talk about coming from love. I had someone unfriend me last week when I did my video on choosing peace or choosing to be right. And people get really angry at me when I say, can you come from love? Can you rise above? I'm not saying it's easy. There's this great story about a man who was a KKK member in Charlottesville at the tragedy last year. He is now, a year later, a member of a predominantly African-American church. He tells how at the rally last year he met a black woman, I believe it was a black woman. She was producing a film on the alt-right. He needed water, and she extended a helping hand to him. And she could have been bitter, better. Look, if I'm a Jew or I'm black and a KKK person comes up to me, I don't know if I could respond from love. I would hope so. I would hope I could be as wonderful as this woman. But in that moment, when she chose to give him water and respond and come from love, he's a completely different person. He's disavowed the KKK. He has apologized. He sees the hurt that he's caused, and he's a new person. That's one less person in the world hating, who's now, I'm sure, going to go on to inspire others. In that moment, that woman chose to love. As I've said, it's not easy. I have a handful of people right now. I'm hoping by the time I die that I can come from love for them, because right now I can't. But here's the thing. I don't put it out there. I don't call people names on Facebook. I think about things I'd like to do, but I don't act on it. When I need to, I regurgitate it by writing or journaling or talking to one person that I trust, because I've got to get these emotions out. I don't want to keep them inside. But I consciously choose not to take action and come from a place of anger or sadness or whatever. How can you come from love today? How will you choose to love?